The molar specific heats of an ideal gas at constant pressure and volume are denoted by Cp and Cv respectively. If gamma is equal to Cp by Cv and R is the universal gas constant, then what is Cv equal to? To solve this, let us consider the given parameters and formula relationships. We are given Cp and Cv as the molar specific heats at constant pressure and constant volume respectively. And the ratio of specific heats gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. The universal gas constant R is related by the equation Cp minus Cv is equal to R. We need to find Cv in terms of gamma and R. From the ratio of specific heats, we can write Cp is equal to gamma Cv. Substituting this in the above equation, we get gamma Cv minus Cv is equal to R. Taking Cv as common outside, we get Cv into gamma minus 1 is equal to R. Therefore, Cv is equal to R by gamma minus 1. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, R by gamma minus 1.